How to edit videos easily with the Samsung Studio app. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys a quick and easy way to edit videos on your Samsung phone without downloading any external editing apps. So what you would usually do is open a video on your gallery, and then from there you just go ahead and tap on the edit button down below, the pencil icon, and it will take you to this editor kind of thing. But this is not what I'm talking about. So if you have One UI 6 or above on your Samsung device, then you have a built-in studio editor. So what you have to do is go to the search bar and then simply search for studio, and you'll find the studio app right here on top. Go ahead and tap on it. Now if you want easy access, you can add the shortcut on your home screen. Now go ahead and tap on start a new project. And if you have some unsaved edits, it's going to ask you to show, but what I'm going to do is just go ahead and click on edit new project. Then you can select the video that you want to edit. So I'll just go ahead and select this video and then tap on done at the top right. And it will open up the studio editor. Now all you have to do is you'll get a short tutorial guide. Now you could just start editing the video. If you want, you can add texts. Then you could also do other edits, like you can add stickers, different stickers. Then you can draw on your video. And there are other features as well where you can add music as well. So just go ahead and click on apply. And once you are done editing, you can trim your video if you want. You can add different transitions. And that's about it. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.